Welcome back to 3D Mechanical Design YouTube channel. I'm your guide, an experienced SolidWorks mechanical designer with over 20 years in the industry. This video covers a SolidWorks tutorial how to make a compound cuts angle on a cylinder. What is a compound cut angle? A compound cut involves two angles. Cuts are made at two different angles in two different planes. If you look at the drawing, you see that in one plane the angle is 25 degrees and in the other plane 20 degrees. Let's make a compound cut angle on a cylinder. If you enjoy clear, hands-on tutorials, remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for regular updates. The 3D model link is provided below, and your part or project suggestions for upcoming videos are encouraged. So, let's begin. First, I will quickly make a model without a cut, and then we will see how to add a compound cuts angle step by step. The base model is ready, so now we can create the compound cut. First, create a plane parallel to the top plane. Then add another plane parallel to the right plane. Switch to a 3D sketch. On the top plane, sketch a reference line located 3 inches from the existing slot. Next, on plane 1, parallel to the top plane, create a sketch that defines the 25-degree angle. The first line will be perpendicular to plane 2 and one side add relations on plane. Through this point, we draw a line at an angle of 25 degrees relative to the first line. Now, on plane 2, create a sketch that defines the 20-degree angle, using lines that pass through the vertices of the previous 25-degree angle. We will draw 2 lines through the vertices of the previous angle. This gives us a 3D sketch with 25 and 20-degree angles originating from a single point in 2 mutually perpendicular planes. Next, generate a plane that passes through the 2 inclined lines. Then create another plane parallel to it, passing through a point located 3 inches from the slot, using the reference line we created earlier. With this plane defined, perform the cut to remove the excess material, and then create a drawing to verify the dimensions. If you found this video helpful, please like and leave a comment to support the channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on new SolidWorks tutorials, new videos every week. Thanks for watching.